Dear students, welcome to my physics class. Chapter Electricity, topic Circuit Diagram. We know that electricity is the most convenient form of energy. It is easy to say this statement, but there are many efforts, factors, concepts behind this hard truth. One among them is concept of circuit diagram. To understand the circuit diagram, first and foremost, we shall try to define circuit symbol. What does circuit symbol mean? The pictorial representation of an electrical component is called circuit symbol. Why we are giving so much of importance for circuit symbols? What is its importance? Electrical symbols are required to do the electrical drawing, and without the help of electrical symbols, we won't be able to do the electrical drawing. Electrical circuits are represented by electrical drawing. Symbols and number combinations are used to represent electrical circuits. Thus, electrical symbols are used to simplify the drafting and to understand the drawings. Electrical symbols are standardized throughout the industry. Then, what do you mean by a circuit diagram? A schematic diagram which represents the relative positions. Look at children here. Cell, ammeter connected in series. Next, resistance, then voltmeter connected in parallel. Next, a key, nothing but a switch connected, and then to the cell. So this is what we say relative positions. In detail, we will study in coming classes. Now we shall try to define what is a circuit diagram. A schematic diagram which represents the relative positions and connections of various circuit components represented by their symbols is called a circuit diagram. Just have a look of the circuit diagram having a cell, ammeter, voltmeter and a resistance, or it may be a bulb or any other device which consumes electrical energy, and then to make or break the circuit we are using switches. This is how the components are connected through the respective symbols. Here I have listed out some conventional symbols used in electric circuits. The components are like this: electric cell, a battery, plug key open, plug key or switch closed, a wire joint, wires crossing without joining. What are all these? Electric cell is the one which provides constant potential difference between 2 points. We know to make the charges to flow, we need potential energy that is provided by electric cell. A battery or combination of cells, 2 or more cells connected in series to provide the required potential difference. When we need more potential differences, in such cases, we need this system, this arrangement. Plug key or switch, to make or not to make, to open or break the circuit, we need a switch. Here also that is switch open. So when switch is opened, that open switch breaks the circuit. Plug key or switch closed. When it is closed, what do you mean by closed means the circuit is completely connected and hence current would flow. Here what? No current would flow in case of plug key opened. A wire joint supplies the current to different components. Wires crossing without joining to have different paths. We have some more components. Electric bulb. What is that electric bulb? We say here a load, the one which consumes electric current, maybe electric even iron box, etc. In general we say load. Here I have chosen electric bulb. The symbol we will come to know later. A resistor of resistance R. Completely regarding this resistance, etc. we will discuss in coming classes. Here just my intention is to give you the circuit symbols. Okay, children. Now, what is this resistance that controls current flowing through the circuit? Variable resistance. Sometimes we have to increase or decrease the resistance. In such cases, we say variable resistance. It is done by a device called rheostat. Then it provides variable resistance. Ammeter, a device which is used to measure electric current that flows through the circuit. Voltmeter is a device that measures potential difference between 2 points. Fuse, we know it is a safety device. Now here the symbols are given. See that an electric cell, the symbol is this, plus and minus. These two indicate positive and negative terminal. A battery, we know it is nothing but 2 or more cells are connected in series, plus and here minus should be there, it is not marked. When no current would flow in the circuit, it is known as open switch or what? Plug key opened. In such cases, here the only difference is between this and this, no dot. This symbol indicates plug key or switch open. Plug key or switch closed means now the current flows through the circuit when switch is closed. A wire joint is this one. In order to branch out the current, we need this type of arrangement. Wires crossing without joining. When we don't want, means we have to take the current to different places, but they are not supposed to be connected. In such cases, this is the symbol which we use in electric circuits. Means what? Wires crossing without joining. Electric bulb. This is the symbol, or even sometimes we use this. A resistor of resistance. Its definition, SI unit, complete detail will be studied in coming classes. Now here just my intention is to introduce only the circuit symbol. This is how we represent the resistor of resistance R. Variable resistance or rheostat. We use this resistance and arrow mark is like this. Ammeter, the circuit symbol is this. Plus and minus, these two symbols indicate positive and negative terminal, and even in voltmeter, plus and minus means positive and negative terminal. Now therefore here we are very clear about the most basic symbols of some electrical components. With the help of these, now it is easy to understand the circuit diagrams. First, we shall try to define what is an electric circuit. A closed, like this children, a closed and continuous path through which electric current flows is known as electric circuit. Just you see here, this is the source of electric current, this is the load and connected by conducting wires. This arrangement we say what? Electric circuit. Okay. And this is the schematic representation that I will tell you later. Now, what is a closed circuit? In an electric circuit, when the key is closed, see here, when the key is closed, then the circuit is called a closed circuit. This is a cell, bulb connected by conducting wires. These arrow marks indicate the flow of what? Electric current, electric charges. Hence, when electric charges flow means circuit is closed, that indicated by this switch, plug, key or switch closed. Once again, what is a closed circuit? In an electric circuit, when the key is closed, then the circuit is called a closed circuit. What is an open circuit? In an electric circuit, when the key is open, just you see here, means connection is not there, means it is a broken circuit. This is the circuit symbol. This switch plug key is opened. Now we say it is called open circuit. What do you mean by that? In an electric circuit, when the key is open, then the circuit is called open circuit. See this, and it's electrical, means by using electrical symbols, the circuit diagram is drawn. What does open circuit mean? Open circuit means that current would not flow through the circuit. Now, I have introduced almost all basic symbols. In the next class, we are going to meet George Simon Ohm. Thank you, children.